Okay, so we're going to explode more planets, including Neptune. Because I have downloaded a nuke add-on. Anyways, waiting for my skin to load. Let's see. We're just gonna. Which one is. Okay, well, that's definitely not it. Okay, this is not it. Not it. This is most likely it. Okay, this is it. So we're going to do this, and I think we'll blow up some of the smaller planets first because this nuke will probably destroy one of the smaller planets pretty easy, I believe. Okay, got the TNT. Now, let's blow up the moon, or the moon of Neptune. And TNT explode. TNT explode. 1 second. And it'll take a bit, but it'll work eventually. But if you give it some time to... Oh, wow, it reached all the way over there. Wait, it reached inside? No way. I just wanted to do that moon because it was just closest to where I was. One second, I will be back. Okay, I'm back. Let's just place some nukes on here just to be ready for later. And these things do take a while to explode. I'll do a part 4 for this, or a part 3. I believe this is the part 3, whatever. I'm just going to do another part where we explode this. Or most of it at least. And I wasn't even placing over there. Okay, now... And I'm going the wrong way. Let's blow up some of the asteroid belt. We'll come back. We might come back later, or we might stay to check it out. But right now, I'm just gonna place a few nukes. Just to be ready. Mars no more. I'm gonna need a torch. There's a lot of blocks. Okay. Let's blow up the bottom, and I'll go put a lot on the top. We can see it explode from up here. And yeah, that's what happens. Those are gonna go off soon. Also, I have a shader on, but I don't know if it's working right now. And wow. I think this might have backfired if another nuke exploded over there. But I don't think so. But I'm just gonna place one here just for fun and light it. Or you know what? We'll just come back to it. And how is this thing not destroyed? Barrier blocks. That's how. Way more nukes. He'll explode any second. And there it is. You can say goodbye to the red planet. Yeah, this place is gone. But we still got a whole ton of nukes left. Look, nuke soccer. And I'm on a barrier block. And wait 10,000 years for it to explode. Okay, that's kind of cursed. Okay, this planet is going to be toast soon. So, it's already on fire. Is the ground down the... Oh, well, now we know what happens. I'm just going to leave this planet alone right now. And oh my god, it reached over at Earth. Which I'm pretty sure we destroyed in the last part. But we'll just destroy it with nukes this time. And there's still barrier.